Today, we're diving into the topic of daily egg consumption and its numerous benefits. The purpose of this discussion is to explore the nutritional value of eggs, which are packed with essential proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Understanding the anabolic effects of eggs is crucial, as they play a significant role in muscle growth and recovery. Personally, I've experienced the positive impact of incorporating eggs into my diet, whether it's for breakfast or post-workout meals. During a seminar at Exxon, I received an invitation that sparked some confusion about egg consumption. Many attendees misinterpreted the information, thinking the recommendation was to avoid eggs altogether. In reality, the actual advice was to consume 4 to 5 eggs daily for optimal health benefits. This misunderstanding highlights the importance of accurate communication when it comes to dietary advice. Clear messaging is essential to ensure people can make informed choices about their nutrition, especially when it involves something as nutritious as eggs. Eggs play a vital role in muscle protein synthesis due to their high-quality protein content. Approximately 90% of the protein found in eggs is utilized by the body to build and repair tissues. In fact, studies show that egg protein has an impressive biological value, with about 48% of it converting directly to body tissue. When compared to other protein sources like meat and dairy, eggs are remarkably efficient, offering a complete amino acid profile that supports muscle growth and recovery, making them an excellent choice for fitness enthusiasts. Eggs are a powerhouse of essential nutrients, providing a rich source of vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin A, B vitamins, selenium, and zinc. Notably, they are high in choline, which supports brain health and cognitive function along with healthy fats that contribute to heart health. Additionally, eggs contain carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health, helping to reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Incorporating eggs into your diet can significantly enhance your overall nutritional intake and well-being. Many people hold misconceptions about eggs and their impact on cholesterol levels. Research shows that consuming eggs actually raises HDL or good cholesterol while having a minimal effect on LDL or bad cholesterol for most individuals. Numerous studies indicate that moderate egg consumption does not negatively affect heart health, challenging the long-held belief that dietary cholesterol from eggs is harmful. It's essential to encourage viewers to reconsider their beliefs about dietary cholesterol, as including eggs in a balanced diet can be beneficial and contribute to overall health without the fear of raising heart disease risk. Advocating for the consumption of pasture-raised organic eggs is essential for both health and ethical reasons. Choosing higher quality eggs means you're getting a product that is richer in nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins, due to the hen's natural diet. Organic and pasture-raised options often have fewer harmful chemicals and antibiotics, promoting better overall health. While these eggs may come at a higher price, the investment is justified by the superior quality and health benefits they provide, making them a worthwhile addition to your diet for long-term wellness. In summary, we've explored the numerous nutritional benefits and anabolic effects of eggs, highlighting their role in muscle protein synthesis and overall health. Eggs are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and high-quality protein, making them a valuable addition to any diet. I encourage you to consider incorporating eggs into your meals for enhanced nutrition and well-being. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video for more content on healthy eating and nutrition. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable insights.